Liquidations have rocked the space as the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated between red and green in the last week. Since the price had been crashing for the major parts of last week, the liquidations have been heavily skewed towards long traders. This trend has now changed as short traders' liquidations have ramped up in the past week owing to recovery above $20,000. Coming out of the weekend, the price of Bitcoin has been doing much better than it was during the weekdays. This has now turned the tide of liquidations towards the short traders. These sorts of positions had ramped up as the price of the digital asset had declined, causing some to believe that it was going to continue. However, the price of the cryptocurrency seems to have found its footing above $17,000 and had made a bounce off from there. Related reading: Mike McGlone says $20,000 is the new $5,000 for Bitcoin, but is he right? The weekend had seen a ramp up in buying since the price of the cryptocurrency had dropped to the $17,000 level. This provided a much needed bounce point as support had begun to form. What would follow was a $3,000 gain over the next 2 days that brought the value of the digital asset close to $21,000 once more. But even as the bulls have struggled to take a hold of the market, their efforts have been met with much opposition. Significantly at the $21,000 where there is now the most resistance. A break above this point will likely see the digital asset touch $25,000 before the end of the week. Hence the opposition. On the other side is the first support level for the digital asset, which has now formed at $20,150. However, with the selling sentiment still so strong among investors, it is doubtful that Bitcoin will be able to hold for very long at such prices. Follow Best Towie on Twitter for market insights, updates, and the occasional funny tweet.